Good morning, student. My topic are ecosystem, the second section of types of ecosystem. The types of ecosystem, what is an ecosystem definition? The interacting living and non-living things, otherwise called are ecosystem in environmental condition specific area. What is ecosystem? Living and non-living things, otherwise our environmental condition specific area. It is called our ecosystem. Then these are ecosystem divided up two types. Types 1 natural, types 2 artificial. Types 1 are natural ecosystem without human activity. For example, forest, river, pond. Then second one, artificial ecosystem, otherwise are human activity. Then example are garden, zoological parks. Only the human activities are garden or zoological parks. The natural ecosystem, they divide up two types, terrestrial and aquatic. Terrestrial ecosystem, forest, grassland, desert. What is a grasslander? What is a forest? What is a desert? Forests are elephant and the large size plants, smallest plants, herb, shrub, otherwise are complex structures of forest. Grassland, for example, only the grassland, for example, goat, cow, desert, the land of the desert land, nothing the waters, otherwise called both the terrestrial ecosystem. These are living things and non-living things, both the organism. Then aquatics, the open water. This aquatic ecosystem divided up two types. First one fresh water, second one marine water. Fresh water, they divide up two types, lotic and lentic. What is a lotic? The only running water. Only the running water otherwise called a lotic in fresh water. For example, river. Then lentic, only the standing water. What is a standing water example? Pond and lake, otherwise called lentic as standing water or fresh water. Then marine water, only ocean, only the ocean water, marine water or sea water. The sea water are an aquatic ecosystem present. Then structure of bond ecosystem, they expect only the bond in ecosystem two major compound. These are a bond ecosystem. The first major compound of biotic, second major compound of non-biotic or abiotic. Biotic otherwise called living things only, plants or animals, humans, otherwise called all living things are biotic. Then non-living, biotic, without living things, only non-living. For example, water, air, sunlight, temperatures, pH or organic compound, otherwise are example, etc. Then first one biotic, only living things, plants, animals, human beings. The only for expect are the plants. The plants are ecosystem, three types: producer, consumer or decomposer. What is a producer? This is our land, the bond. The bond is a small large fish and small large insect then water and soil. These are plants are the first stage of the folding stage. Otherwise, our example are algae, green algae, cyanobacteria. Otherwise, all the born in the folding stage. The folding stage are green pigments are using a photosynthesis, the own food, otherwise called the producer on plants. Then consumer, the food using of the plants, otherwise called consumer. For example, cow, goat, anybody. Third one, decomposer. Decomposer of the death organism only. What is a death organism? Plants, animals. The death organism decompose are bacteria and fungi and actinomycetes. What is a decomposer? The complex structure of the simple structure of the microorganism, bacteria, fungus and actinomycetes. Otherwise are the entire bond in ecosystem. Two major compound. The first compound biotic, second compound abiotic. Biotic, otherwise three types: producer, consumer, decomposer. Producer only in the plants using food or own or photosynthesis process. Then consumer, nothing photosynthesis process, nothing green pigment, otherwise own food. These are food using of the other plants or other animals, etc. Otherwise called our consumer. Third one, decomposer. These are decomposer of death organism of the plants, animals, the complex structure of the simplest molecules of using of the soil in nitrogen management are present in microorganism, bacteria, fungi. Okay student, thank you.